When you receive the machine, the first step is to open this door. Then open the cover of this bottle. Input purified water into this bottle and turn the green level of this place. After you input the water, the second step is to collect the cables. UVW3 cables. 0 is to N. This one is S cable. Okay, then turn on the S switch. The third step is to connect with your gears. You can use agar case or new case. The other end of the gas pipe connect with the machine. The fourth step is to connect with the wire feeder. The fifth step is to turn on the S switch of the machine. Route the emergency stop. Route the key switch. Press the laser power. When you open the screen, turn on the screen, click the parameter to choose the material. There are stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, 3 kinds of materials and thickness. To choose according to your requirement, then click OK. After you choose the parameters, then you can slightly adjust the power according to your welding demand. After you have set down the parameters, you have to turn on this laser level to start welding. Please note that when you want to weld, please don't put this on this welding gun. This action is very dangerous. Please put far away this from the welding gun, because when you put these two together, the laser light can output anytime. It's dangerous. So please put away from this welding gun. When you want to cut in, you need to replace the cutting nozzle. Route the nozzle onto the head and need to check if the red light in the middle of the hole. Replace the laser clean mode. You need to ensure the environment is very clean. Don't let the dust to with the mirror. Take out the clean mirror. Open the cover of the welding head. You need to find the correct direction of the mirror. To compare the letters, the small letters should under the mirror. Insert the mirror and cover. loose the bolt to take off the fixed metal. Install the cleaning head and tighten the bolt. After replace the mirror, you need to set the parameter. Click Go to the laser clean mode and input the password 5000.